Imagine transforming your workflow management with a single tool. AWS Durable Functions offer a revolutionary way to handle complex, long-running processes with ease and reliability. Let's explore how they can change your workflow dynamics. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Reliability is crucial in managing long-running processes. AWS Durable Functions ensure your workflows are resilient, reducing the risk of failures and ensuring smooth operations. Discover the power of reliability in your workflow management. Traditional workflow solutions often struggle with complexity and reliability. They lack the durability needed for modern applications, leading to inefficiencies and potential failures. Let's delve into why these methods fall short in today's fast-paced environment. Durability and reliability are non-negotiable for modern applications. AWS Durable Functions provide these essential qualities, ensuring your workflows are robust and efficient. Learn why these features are critical for success. AWS Durable Functions are built on a sophisticated architecture that simplifies complex workflows. They offer orchestration and state management capabilities, allowing you to focus on your business logic without worrying about infrastructure. Understanding orchestration and state management is key to leveraging AWS Durable Functions. These features enable seamless coordination of tasks, ensuring your workflows are efficient and reliable. Let's dive deeper into these capabilities. AWS Durable Functions stand out with features like automatic retries, stateful workflows, and scalability. These functions adapt to your needs, providing a flexible and powerful solution for managing complex workflows. Using AWS Durable Functions in your workflows brings numerous benefits. They enhance reliability, reduce downtime, and improve efficiency, making them an invaluable tool for any organization looking to optimize their processes. Implementing AWS Durable Functions is straightforward with a step-by-step guide. Start by defining your workflow, then configure the necessary settings to ensure smooth operation. Let's walk through the implementation process together. Best practices for setting up AWS Durable Functions include monitoring performance and optimizing resource usage. These strategies ensure your workflows run efficiently and effectively, maximizing the benefits of durable functions. AWS Durable Functions are used in various industries to streamline operations. From automating financial transactions to managing supply chains, these functions provide reliable solutions for complex business challenges. Businesses leverage AWS Durable Functions to achieve success by enhancing workflow efficiency and reliability. These real-world applications demonstrate the transformative power of durable functions in driving business growth. Using AWS Durable Functions can present challenges such as managing complexity and ensuring scalability. Identifying these common issues is the first step in overcoming them effectively. Strategies to overcome challenges with AWS Durable Functions include thorough planning and continuous monitoring. By implementing these strategies, you can ensure your workflows remain robust and efficient. We've explored the power and benefits of AWS Durable Functions. By implementing these functions, you'll enhance your workflow's reliability and efficiency. Let's recap the key points we've covered. AWS Durable Functions offer a transformative approach to workflow management. By adopting these functions, you'll ensure your processes are resilient and efficient, paving the way for future success. Now that you understand the benefits, it's time to take action. Start implementing AWS Durable Functions in your workflows today and experience the difference they can make. By embracing AWS Durable Functions, you'll optimize your workflows and drive business success. Begin your journey towards more reliable and efficient processes now. Remember, the key to success is taking the first step. Implement AWS Durable Functions and transform your workflow management for the better. Let's make a change together. Start using AWS Durable Functions today and unlock the full potential of your workflows. The future of efficient workflow management is here.